Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Play on the ONYX Boox Go 6. So if you want to use Google Play, the first thing that you're going to do is open up the Apps tab, and then you're going to go to the second page. I think it's usually on the second page, it might be somewhere else for you. But there should be the Play Store, so let's open that up. And there we go, now we're in Google Play. You might need to log in if you haven't done that already. But you can use this to download anything, like on an Android device. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.